Hello friends, welcome back to my channel again. Today in this video we will see the Infosys pseudo code questions. Infosys has changed the exam pattern, online test pattern recently. So we will check the new pattern and some of the pseudo code questions asked in Infosys Drive. Okay, so let us get started with this video. Many of you have received the mail, shortlisted mail for the online test. Many of you have been received. Okay, so you will have now online test which consists of these sections. Section 1, reasoning ability, then section 2, mathematical ability, section 3, verbal ability, section 4, pseudocode, section 5, puzzle solving. Okay, today in this video I will give you or I will provide you some of the pseudocode questions asked in Infosys Drive May 2021. Okay, so if you want other sections like mathematical ability, reasoning ability, verbal ability, then puzzle solving, then comment below if you want. Then I will provide another video. In this video we will see only pseudocode questions. Okay, so for the reasoning ability, as per new pattern you will have total number of 15 questions and 25 minutes time will be allocated to you. Then for mathematical ability, 10 questions with 35 minutes. For verbal ability, 20 questions, 20 minutes. Pseudocode, 5 questions will be asked. Okay, and 10 minutes will be allocated to you. And then puzzle solving, 4 questions will be asked and time will be allocated to you, 10 minutes. Okay, so in this video we will check one by one. Okay, so I have these some of pseudo code questions. Okay, so let us check one by one, and I will also show you side by side. These are the answers that I have provided for those questions. For these questions you will get the answer here. Okay, so let us get started with the questions one by one. Pseudo code question 1 we will check. Okay, so this one is the first question. You can pause this video and you can note down this question, or if you want these screenshots, then comment below your mail id. I will provide this screenshot to your mail id directly with answers as well. I will provide you answers as well as questions. Okay, so no worry about that. So you can check here. This one is the first question. This is the pseudo code and they have been asked you what is the output for this program. So the output for this program is 763, option 1. So I have mentioned the answer here, option 1 for question 1. For question 1 the option is 1, that is 763. So I will close this one. Question 2 we will check. What is the output? This one is the program. So for this second question the output is %x, that is option 2 is correct. I have provided the answer here. For second question option 2 is correct and the answer is %x. Okay, then third question. So this one is the third question, again output asked. So for the third question the output is option 1, 0. Okay, so 0 is the option for the third question. Okay, so let us check fourth question. Fourth question again they have been asked the output. So the option is 0 for the fourth question, option 2, and answer is 0. You can check here. Okay, then for the fifth question we will check. For the fifth question you will get the code here. The answer is 320, option 1. I have mentioned the answer here, option 1, 320. Then for question number 6 Question 6 we will check. Question 6, again output is asked. What will be the output for this program? So the answer is floating point exception, option 1. Okay, so I have mentioned here as well. Then next question, 7th question. So what will be the output of the following pseudocode? So you will get this question, and for this answer is option 1, that is 1. Option 1 is correct and answer is 1. Okay, so next question is 8th question. Again, what will be the output of the following pseudocode? So the answer for 8th question is option 2, that is 1. Option 2, that is 1. 1 is the answer and option is 2. Okay, so we will check the 9th question. What will be the output of the following program or following pseudocode? Okay, so the answer for this is option 2, garbage value. Option 2, garbage value is the correct answer. Okay, then we will check the next question. 10th question, what will be the output of the following pseudocode? For this, null is the correct answer. Option 2, null is the correct answer. You can check here, I have mentioned here. And for the last question, I have find the output of the following pseudocode. The output for this pseudocode is B, option B, 9. I have mentioned in this file as well. Okay, so these are the questions, Infosys pseudocode questions. If you want this document, I will provide all these questions as well as this document to you. I will share with you. Mention your mail ID in the comment box below. I will provide you. Okay, and if you want any other section, as I mentioned earlier, if you want other sections except pseudocode section, then let me know. Okay, I will make video on that as well. Okay, so I'll just go through one by one once. So first question, you can pause the video and check this question again. So this one is the question 2. Okay, so again this one is the question 3rd. So during examination, whenever they will ask any pseudocode question, hand run your program first. Okay, then you will get, definitely you will get output. Okay, so this one is the 4th question. This one is the 5th question. Then again this one is the 6th question. This one is the 7th question. Then 8th question. You can pause the video and check this. Okay, just try yourself, try by yourself. Okay, so and those candidates who have received shortlisted mail from the Infosys recruitment team, please let me know, comment your answer. Okay, so this one is the question number 9. This one is the question number 10. And for the Infosys Drive, they have removed the coding question. Instead of coding, for the Infosys Recruitment Drive online test, they have removed the coding question. Before, previously Infosys asked the questions related to coding, but now the pattern has been changed. Now they will ask the questions pseudocode on pseudocode. Okay, and this one is the question number 11. Okay, so comment below your answer. Okay, and comment your mail ID. I will provide this question and answers to you. Okay, and if you have received a shortlisted mail, then also comment below and tell me when your exam is. Okay, what is your exam date? Okay, for some candidates the exam is on 16th May. Today is 14th May. Okay, so kindly let me know in the comment box below. Okay, so I wish you all the best. Do your best, never give up. Okay, and thanks for watching this video, and share this video with your friends so that they will also take this advantage of this video. Okay, so bye for now. Thank you.